కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి, మీకు మంచిగా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ కమెంట్ కూడా చేయండి.
At that point of time, if you have a director who loses his cool, who gets excited like everyone else, then that will be very difficult to say because everyone is unique. I don't think there's a dearth of people with great bodies and all, but I did Calendar Girls with Madhur Bhandarkar. I'm a little busy with Hindi television. Vijay Garu has turned out, Mahesh is a very, very humble person. So actually I have seen Mahesh is like that. So if you meet Mahesh, you'll never know where he comes from, what. No, that always keeps on happening because I don't think there is an ideal situation where both the people will be doing well. It would be great, but it doesn't happen so. But I think that's a plus point in our marriage. A good film. It's very, very different, I can promise you that. It's a new, I mean, you're aware of the subject, but it's a new subject to be shown on screen.
Your time starts now.
40 movies ki paiga hero ga act chesaru. Bengali lo aina superstar. For the first time Telugu lo aina first time aite 2.0 tho chesaru. So aina tho ippudu chit chat chestam. Hello. Hi Gurveer Singh Gupta. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So I've seen the movie. You look very, very ferocious. What made you do this character?
No, I have actually done negative roles in the past also. So, but I liked the relevance of the subject a lot. And I thought the character was very interesting. There was so much, you know, if you get a good character to play, it's mostly unidimensional usually in our films. When you get a negative character to play, it has a lot of masala to act. For an actor, it's so much fun. So even this character, Avinash Ganguly, has a lot of graph, which is interesting for an actor. So I thought it was a good role to play.
In so many of your pre-event functions, you have mentioned that you felt like you are the hero of this film. So how can you justify that?
See, I think he's the strongest, as a strongest character or strongest person in the film, Avinash Ganguly it is. That's a different story, that he is on the negative side of the law and he, you know, finally he meets his fate as a negative person should. But otherwise, the way it has been presented, it's larger than life. The kind of visual entries and visual scenes that have been given to this character by our director, Raj sir, makes the character very larger than life, heroic kind of a character. So that's why in the movie also I say that ki Avinash Ganguly main is picture ka hero. So yeah.
Okay, so you have worked with so many directors and so many different languages, different movies. So how was it working in Telugu movie?
Oh, it was excellent. This was the first, I've done a lot of work in Bengali, as you said, 40 or plus of films, and I have also done a Marathi film. So I'm exposed to that language also, and definitely a few Hindi films also. But this was the first time in Telugu, so I was a little skeptical since I didn't know the language. So Raj sir said that language is not a problem because we'll give you a character like that where it will be balanced out and presented in a proper way. So we'll work on it, and otherwise he narrated the script and all, and narrated the story to me, the character to me. So I really liked it, and then I thought, why not take a chance? I was a little scared about the language, that's it, because it's not my language at all. But then everything fell into place, and Raj sir has worked with all of us. He has worked with the younger ones so much. So, you know, the hard work I think shows. And while working, I never felt that I'm working in an alien industry. I've never been a part of it because they made me feel at home so much. So I really enjoyed it. It was a good team to work with.
Okay, so which is the most familiar word in Telugu to you?
Arre Bapre, now I have forgotten everything. That time I used to read the lines and just say it. So I don't remember anything right now. Garu, I think Garu is the most common word, yeah. So everyone is a Garu, yeah.
What do you think Garu means?
Garu is like Bengali, it's da, it's something like that, right?
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So Raj Garu means what?
Yes.
Big brother, what is it?
Garu is giving respect.
Respect, so Shri kind of a thing.
Shri kind.
All right.
Mr.
Yeah.
Okay, so most of the North Indians, I find they write Telugu in a different, the spelling of the Telugu is not correct. So I just want to check How do you write and how do you spell Telugu? The spelling of Telugu. What
I
is
mean,
the spelling of Telugu?
T, that one.
Yeah. You're asking me it is right or not?
TLEGU.
T
E
T E.
LUGU.
Okay. Most of the North Indians.
LEGU they say.
Yeah, they say
Yeah.
T
LUGU.
LUGU.
huh.
Yes, that's Telugu.
Telugu. Huh.
Yes. So how is it working with Raj Madhavan?
Oh, it was brilliant. I think he has a great temperament. He knows what he wants from the film, from the actors, and is very clear about it. But at the same time, he is, he's a tough taskmaster. But at the same time, his approach to the whole thing is not that strict as such. So no one feels like he's trying to dictate things or he's trying to be, autocratic and trying to control the whole thing. He's very soft in his behavior, but he gets his work done. So that's great because no one feels like, oh my God, what is he doing? But actually, he's getting his work done. And I feel the film industry, our work is very stressful. So when we work, it's so much of stress, so much of noise, and all those hours, I think it really takes its toll on you. With that, when you have someone who is balanced, who has his head on his shoulder, who knows his work and is calm and composed, it really helps. At that point of time, if you have a director who loses his cool, who gets excited like everyone else, then it is a very difficult thing to do. So I feel that's his biggest plus as a person. Other than that, work-wise, he is extremely talented. He has been known in the industry for doing quality work, and he has done quality work in this film also. And another important factor I feel is that he's aware of things around him. He knows a lot. So it's when you talk and discuss about anything, from our industry, we'll know about our industry. There's no big deal about it. But to know outside it, if you talk about politics or if you talk about cinema from some other part of the world or talk about sports, so he could always contribute and he could always talk about anything under the sun. So that was very interesting. It's nice to interact with a person like that.
Have you ever come across such person who is very who's not calm and composed and who's very
Yes, I have. I can't name, but I have worked with directors who are thankfully very few. Mostly, I think 95% of my directors have been extremely composed. But there are 5% turn out like who cannot take the stress, and they start no one has screamed at me probably, but screaming in general on anyone in the unit also is actually not a great thing while working in such an atmosphere.
So how is it working with newcomers? I mean, in this film there are so many newcomers. So how is it working with them?
I thought it was brilliant to work with them because all of them are young, and when you are starting off, you are young. There's the energy you come with, the want to prove yourself is so big. So that really makes you an interesting character. I think all of them have put in so much hard work, and today people are so clear about what they want to do, and they put in that hard work and that effort because they know where they want to go, which is very refreshing to see. And very respectful, all of them, considering respecting the director and the producer, they would do, but I'm just an actor. But because I'm senior to them in the industry, the kind of respect they gave me, and they all listen, which is a very good thing. They haven't come like I know it all. You have actors who come with this thing that I know it all. So it's very difficult to, for anyone to explain it to them if there is a difference in opinion. But they was all very receptive and open to any ideas, which is a very, encouraging thing for actors who are new.
So whom do you think who is very, very promising and very, very hardworking and dedicated in all of the bunch of the newcomers?
That would be very difficult to say because everyone is unique. If someone is a looker, someone else is a great performer, someone has a lot of energy because you need it for the work we are in. Someone is stunning or someone has a personality. So it's very difficult to point out, okay, of these 6, this person is going to make it or this person is not going to make it. So everyone has a unique strength, and I feel that everyone should realize what their strength is and try to exploit that rather than be someone else. It's good to play on your strength and be a unique person.
So tell us something about Firm 9 Production Private Limited, the producers Vijay Garu and Mahesh.
Vijay Garu has turned out, Mahesh is a very, very humble person, and I'm glad, when we work in the north and in Bombay, we heard that people in the south are very humble. They're very, soft and humble and all. So actually I have seen Mahesh is like that. So if you meet Mahesh, you'll never know where he comes from, what is his background, what is his financial status. You'll not know anything because the way he behaves, it's so nice and warm, so you don't know that where he's coming from. But then you come to know that okay, they're producing the film. Even Vijay Garu is very friendly. He is like a pal to me. Like he calls up and he sends me jokes and all that. So yeah, so I've really been fortunate enough to be with them, to know them, and I hope they have turned out to be friends for life.
Which is the favorite film in Bengali which you have acted?
Yeah. I have acted in a film called Arekti Premier Golpo, and in English it would go as Just Another Love Story. So unfortunately that film has never released on DVD. It released in the cinema halls and it went for the international circuits and all. But then I don't know why the producer never took out a DVD. It is a very good film, very acclaimed also. And Rituparno Ghosh, the director who is no more, that was his first film as an actor, so he acted with me.
Okay.
So that was a good film, yeah.
Wow, nice. So what are your upcoming Hindi projects?
Upcoming Hindi projects, I haven't done any Hindi film major as such. I did a bit role in a film called Mulk by Anubhav Sinha, but it will take time to come out. And it's a very small role, but because I am acquainted to them, so I did it. And other than that, nothing in Hindi television. I'm a little busy with Hindi television. I'm doing a show on GEC, and yeah, that's it. And I keep doing Bengali films once in a while. Yeah.
So how is it with Bengali and how is it going with TV? So what are your upcoming projects and what are your favorite projects till date?
So Bengali films, actually I started working in 2009, and since then I have been working. In the last couple of years I have not done many films. I have done 2 or 3, but before that there was a span of 5-6 years when I used to do like 5 films a year or 6 films a year at times. So yeah, so it has been great. I really like working in Bengali films because they have great writers and the content is very good. So in the kind of films I do the not the mainstream. I do a little offbeat. So that content is very good. There are very good directors also. So talent is really good. The acting talent is also very good. A smaller industry, but quite talented bunch of people. So I enjoyed working there. But at times what happens then, sometimes you also end up doing bad films. So yeah, at times it happens that out of 5-6 films, 2-3 films are not as good as you thought they would be. Other than that, so I try to now work lesser in Bengal and work a little more in Bombay because Bombay is where my family is. And then if I keep working too much in Bengal, I don't get to spend time with my family. So I made a conscious decision in the last 2 years that I'll try to spend more time in Bombay. And so I took up a television offer that came my way. It's called Nimki Mukhia on Star Bharat. It's a #1 show on that channel. And Star Bharat is #2 now in India after Colors. So that's a very fast growth for a new channel. And we are very happy with the success of our show. It's doing well. It's quite different. Yeah, so I'm lucky to be a part of that.
Your wife is also a leading TV star.
Yes, she is also into television and she has done quite a few shows. Right now her show has just gone on air from yesterday on Sub TV. Which is the new Shriman Shrimati. So there used to be one iconic show called Shriman Shrimati. So exactly the same script, the same situation, the same characters, only different 4 actors. They are starting again, Shriman Shrimati.
Oh, nice. So have you ever come across such any of such situations where okay, my wife is doing great or I am doing great or she? How do you balance?
No, that always keeps on happening because I don't think there is an ideal situation where both the people will be doing well. It would be great, but it doesn't happen so. But I think that's a plus point in our marriage because we both are working, so understanding the industry for both of us is very easy. And secondly, thankfully by God's grace, it has always happened that when I am short of work, my wife is always working, and when my wife is short of work, I am working. When she was pregnant and she had the child and that took her 2 years off from her career, I was constantly working. I had no time. So thankfully it has happened like that. So we have always managed to, balance things out and all. But we definitely want to work again together. We haven't got an opportunity yet. I mean, we started off together, so I hope someone casts us together and we get.
All the very best.
Thank you.
And now we have seen you in 92 and you are showing your abs and all and you have a very perfect body. So now I guess all the Telugu films will cast you as a main villain.
I don't know. Let's hope Telugu films have had good villains. Lots of people I know, like Sonu is a friend of mine. Rahul Dev is a senior model, so I know him too. So they have done well here. So I don't think there's a dearth of people with great bodies and all. But it's always great to if there's an opening in a new industry, and if I get good work here, why not? Because it's a very very big industry. It's always good for an actor to be a part of a very successful industry.
How do you how IT2 have approached you?
I did Calendar Girls with Madhur Bhandarkar. So Girdhar was the one who was casting there. So that's how he came to know me. Then he called me for this film Down South is happening. Will you do it? I said okay. Then that's how I met him. So yeah.
Oh, super.
So this-
So I hope to see you again and again in Telugu movies. And all the very best for your career.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
A last and final word to our Indian viewers about IT2.
See, as an actor, it's a very selfish thing I'm going to say. It's my film, it's our film, and we've really worked hard to make it a good film. It's very, very different, I can promise you that. It's a new, I mean, you're aware of the subject, but it's a new subject to be shown on screen. And we have, I think, made very relevant questions in the film for you to understand that how we are placed today in this tech-savvy cyber world of today. And we have tried to address that situation. At the same time, it's a very, very entertaining film. It has some youngsters, it has so much fun, songs, college life, it has action, it has comedy. So I think it's a complete package, and it's releasing on the 16th of this month. So I request you, please go and watch it in the cinema halls. It's a full packaged film. You will love it, and if you do love it, then spread the word around, because it's an earnest effort that we have put in, and we would be very happy if you go and watch the film.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Hi to all the viewers of India Glitz. This is Indraneel Sengupta. A very happy Ugadi to you all.
Hi,
India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews.
Latest updates.
Subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.